What the dog doing?
What's up? Hello everyone. Welcome to this another a day in my life vlog series. So today, kakagising ko lang. It's currently 11:16. Yeah. My eyes hurts, my head hurts, but we have to do a lot of errands today. We're gonna go to the bank.
What the dog doing?
We're also gonna go to a clinic. I'm sorry. We're also gonna go to the clinic kasi we have to do our medical for school purposes, I mean. And yeah, it's currently what time is it? Wait.
A few moments later.
It's 11:17. So yeah, it's currently 11:17. We're gonna do a lot of errands today, so I will just take a bath, prep my face, brush my hair, do makeup, a lot of things, and yeah, balik ako. Bye-bye.
What the dog doing?
So, hello guys. So, nakapag-ayos na ako, nakapag-bihis na ako, nakaligo na ako. But, of course, we can't forget about brunch. Kasi I rarely eat sa umaga. So, ang kinakain ko is brunch. Anyways, I have fish. And I have sinigang sa miso with rice. Kumbaga, pinagsama ko na. So, I will only eat, then I'll put makeup on, and then I'll go on our first agenda.
What the dog doing? What the dog doing?
So, now nakaalis na tayo. So, now let's head on sa ating first agenda. Nagdala lang ako ng requirements ko for medical, and then yung laptop ko just in case kailanganin ko after. Yeah. So, let's go. Outfit check. Hello. So, tapos na sa first errand ko, and babalik na lang ulit ako for further update. So, now, waiting na lang ako kay kuya. Kasi sabay kami pupunta sa clinic. Kasi right now, nalapit na tayo sa Fisher Mall, Malabon. And katabi ni kasi nito is yung High Precision Clinic, kung saan nakikipag-collaborate ata ang FEU dito. Kaya hope so, libre pa. If not, and then we're dead. So, yeah. Let's meet my brother. Kasi nandito siya, Dito kami dito. Let's go! Hi! So ngayon nasa high precision na tayo. Hi, sa aking guardian. So, ang gagawin natin dito, tatawagin daw tayo for blood and then pipila for x-ray and then pupunta sa Fisher Mall for PE. So, see you later. Tapos na ako mag-x-ray. And now, pupunta kami sa second floor for physical exam. Last one. Saan makita namin? Bye-bye. Done. So, after nito, saan na tayo tutungo? We don't know. Pabalikan namin yung results after 3 days. So, for sure, May 7, pupunta kami doon. Hi ka. Hello guys. So, since tapos na kami medical, kakain lang kami. Libre ni Kuya.
Kain tayo.
Kain na daw. And ang third agenda ko talaga is maglilist lang ako ng mga important na ginagawa here. And then later, may gagawin lang ako sa Canva. After that, I'm done with my errands for today. So, kain na kami and then we'll go home. Bye-bye!
What the dog doing?
Kakain na kami. Let's eat. Sarap.
Barbecue.
Hello, kakatapos na namin kumain at ngayon pauwi na kami. Agenda is done.